How to fix TikTok no internet connection error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get TikTok back online and working properly. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Connections. At this point, toggle off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. Reconnect to your network and reopen TikTok to check if the error is gone. From here, if it's still showing up, try switching to mobile data. Toggle off Wi-Fi and let your device connect through mobile data instead. Following this, reopen TikTok and see if that makes a difference. Once done, if neither connection is working, let me show you the next fix. Open your Android settings again. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Tap on Reset. From there, tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm. Once done, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and reopen TikTok. From here, if the error is still there, open your Android settings. Go back to the main settings and tap on Apps. Search for TikTok and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop and confirm. After that, tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Then reopen TikTok and check again. Here's an important note. If TikTok is still showing no internet connection, open the Play Store, search for TikTok, and tap Update if one is available. Finally, if nothing has worked, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open TikTok and the error should be resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the TikTok no internet connection error, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.